to avoid FOMO in crypto. 3 simple rules to stop buying high. All right, let's talk about the enemy of every new crypto investor, FOMO, or the fear of missing out. That intense feeling to buy a coin right now because the price is skyrocketing. It causes bad decisions. Today, we're giving you 3 simple rules to crush FOMO and start trading with discipline. What is FOMO? FOMO is an emotional response to seeing others make money, pressuring you to jump into a trade without any plan. It often causes you to buy at the peak, the absolute worst time. Here's how you fight back. Rule number 1. Create a trading plan. The first rule is to have a plan and stick to it. Before you enter any trade, decide exactly 3 things: your entry price, your exit price, and your stop loss. When a coin pumps, you simply ask yourself, does this fit my plan? If the answer is no, you walk away. A plan eliminates the emotional guesswork. Rule number 2. Embrace dollar cost averaging. The second rule is to use dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA means you invest a fixed amount of money at fixed time intervals, say $50 every Monday, regardless of the price. This removes the pressure to time the market because you are buying consistently. DCA is a mechanical, unemotional strategy that completely neutralizes FOMO. Rule number 3, filter out the hype. The final rule, step away from the noise. FOMO is fed by constant exposure to social media hype and endless chart checking. Limit your time on trading forums and Telegram groups. Remember, by the time a huge pump is trending on Twitter, it's usually too late. Check your charts once a day and then go live your life. Discipline is the key to avoiding FOMO. Fight emotion with logic, follow your plan, and stay safe out there. If you found these rules helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more essential crypto wisdom. Thanks for watching.